Hey, what's up, everyone? It is TechWares, and today is October 9th, 2025. Intel has officially announced Panther Lake architecture, alright, their next mobile CPUs that's coming, I think, in next year, early next, or I think late December, or maybe early next year, I don't know. Anyways, this is from their website, the official Intel newsroom, alright, this is the CEO holding a wafer, and there we go. Intel unveils the Panther Lake architecture, the first AI PC platform built on 18A, etc., etc. You guys can go check it out. There's there's the Panther Lake chip. But what I really want to talk about and what you're watching this for is the GPU, the updated GPU IP and product family roadmap. All right, over here it says expanding on the Battlemage family. Um, as many of you are aware, this is their old one. This is their oldest roadmap. I think this was like in 2020. This was revealed at the Intel Architecture Day in 2020. And they showed the multi-year roadmap. Of course, Alchemist, Battlemage, Celestial, Druid. All of this has changed. Roadmaps are not set in stone. Roadmaps do change. This is for every industry, right? So this roadmap right here, we need to stop referencing it. We need to stop talking about it. It is old. It is outdated. It is pretty much a waste. We just know a little bit of information from it, such as, Xe3 HPG, Celestial, and an Xe I guess 4 or Xe Next architecture is Druid, codename Druid. So I'm gonna close this. All right. This is the roadmap we're gonna be talking about. So it is confusing. I agree, because the GPU in Panther Lake, it's Xe3. However, they're putting it into the B series of family of products. All right. I think they should have just called it Xe 2.5. That's what they should have called it. Xe 2.5. However, they want to be confusing. They called it Xe3. It is what it is. This is the article. Where's it at? Not this article. So this one. This is from Gizmodo. So Gizmodo, their team, they they went to the Intel Tech Tour 2025 in Arizona. All right, and they were there. They talked with the engineers. They talked with Tom Peterson. So Intel's head of architecture, graphics, and software, Tom Peterson, told reporters in a roundtable Q&A that Panther Lake would only hint at what's implied by the name. Xe3P is a significant architectural advancement from where we are now, he said. Whether that means it's a whole family of products, that doesn't matter. However, it may still be called Celestial, more for the sake of continuity than anything. So Tom Peterson said, our naming is not great. Peterson said, if we knew what we know now, we would name those things differently. All right? So I guess they shouldn't have called it Xe3. And also this is from a PC gamer as well. So Intel shot down that idea immediately, saying that Xe3 is just for Panther Lake. So Xe3 will only just be for Panther Lake. It won't be for any, I guess, future products. So we're not going to be seeing Xe3 in, for example, Nova Lake, which is the successor to the Arrow Lake. I think Nova Lake will also be in laptops. So Nova Lake will be a desktop in the desktop, socketed CPU, and also for mobile. So Xe3 was just for Panther Lake. Okay. So we have the next ARC family, and that is that's being built on Xe3P. And Xe3P, the P stands for plus. I got this from Gamers Nexus, who of course they spoke to Intel and they asked them, "Hey, what does the P stand for in Xe3P? Is it performance? Is it power? Is it?" They said no, it's plus. So Xe3, it is up to 12 Xe cores. It is Intel's largest iGPU to date, integrated GPU to date. All right. It promises up to 50% better performance than Lunar Lake's Xe2 integrated GPU, iGPU. Okay, at the same power. Okay, it is architecturally an evolution of Battlemage Xe2. So it is kind of like an evolved version of Xe2, which is maybe that's why they included it into the the B series family, or the Battlemage family. So it is not a clean break. So Intel explicitly stated Xe3 is not Celestial. Okay. So yeah, that's why they're classifying it under the ARC B series umbrella, because its software capabilities align with Battlemage. Okay, so Xe3P, Xe3P, it is the next ARC family. So they showed it on the roadmap, and it is the successor to Battlemage. Okay, so Intel Arc Xe3P, expect that to be the power for Arc C series Celestial discrete GPUs. So Xe3P will be in the next Intel Arc C series discrete graphics cards, the add-in cards that we can slot into our motherboards, the gaming GPUs. So Xe3P is going to represent, the performance tuned, discrete ready evolution of Xe3. With scalability, higher clocks, wider memory, and cache improvements. Okay, so Xe3P is Celestial. Xe3, it is not Celestial. And that is that. I know it's confusing. Or I don't blame you people. I don't blame people for being confused, because I was even confused until I did so much research and an analysis, and that's just what it is. So I'm excited for Panther Lake, and I'm excited for what's coming up next, which is Xe3P and the next ARC family. So no, Intel is not giving up on discrete graphics cards. Clearly not. It's in the new roadmap. It's right there. But what I don't really understand is, why didn't they just say Intel Arc C series? Why did they put next ARC family? You know what I mean? Because we already saw the previous roadmap, and it goes A series, B series, C series. You could have just put C series, but you wanted just to put Intel. Maybe because it's more than just C series. Maybe because Xe3P will also be in CPUs, is not just for discrete GPUs. Maybe Nova Lake will have Xe3P. I don't know. Maybe what's coming after Nova Lake. So we don't know. So here we go. I know it's going to be another year of people still questioning the Intel Arc Odyssey, the Intel Arc Journey, because Intel should have just put Intel Arc C series family. And just my own question, why didn't they include Xe4 in this roadmap? Why are you still talking about A series? we're past A series. Xe4, you guys should have listed it in the roadmap, but you didn't. But it's okay, whatever. That's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you understand what's happening? Are you excited for Panther Lake? Are you excited for more Intel-based handhelds utilizing Panther Lake? Are you excited for Xe3P? We'll see in 2026. Take care, everyone. It's TechWares. Peace out.